everybody, I'm BennyXD, and on this episode of Today We Dine, we're cooking chicken fajitas with our guest star,
BennyXD. Now let's get the show on the road.
For today's recipe, we're using 3 chicken breasts, flour tortillas, assorted peppers, salt and pepper, 1 yellow onion, garlic powder, ground cumin, chili powder, juice of 1 lime, a little bit of oil to cook with, and to finish it off, some cheese and some sour cream. Now it's time to cut your pepper. I'm gonna grab my roommate that's a little bit better at chopping stuff up. Now we're gonna chop up our onion. Now we're gonna cut up our chicken breast in half so it can easily be fried.
Alright, BennyXD up. Time to season the chicken. First the salt, then the pepper, garlic powder, ground cumin, chili powder, and we gotta season the other side too, of course, don't forget. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oil to medium-high heat. Now let's let it warm up a bit. Now that the pan's hot, let's add our chicken. You can see this one's turning white all around the edges. It's time to flip.
Once you're done sauteing your chicken, you're gonna clean off your pan, then add some oil on a medium-high heat. Once the oil heats up, you're gonna add your vegetables. Then you're just gonna move around your vegetables until they become tender. If you would like, you can add salt and pepper. Now it's time to toast up our tortillas. You know when to flip it once one side is golden brown. Now let's get to building our fajitas. Now let's add a little bit of lime juice, freshen it up. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream and cheese and call it a day. Alright, now it's time to dig in, guys. That chicken is seasoned perfectly. The peppers and onions taste delicious. The sour cream adds a little bit of a nice lightness to it. And the lime juice freshens everything up. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this episode. If you like this episode, be sure to check out maybe 1 or 2 other episodes I have. They're linked right over here. Thank you guys for watching.